Welcome students. In in this class we are going to have a talk on the causes of tax evasion. So as you know very well, tax evasion is illegal activity which is normally being done by the majority of the people to avoid the tax. So it is the biggest problem to the economy. Actually it's the biggest problem to the country as well as. So here, so let us observe the reasons. What are the reasons which lead the tax evasion? So here, the main reason for the tax evasion is so actually when we earn the income, if it is above the exemption limit, we need to pay the tax. So this is the known thing everyone. This is the known thing to the everyone. So here, suppose when your income is more, when you are earning more and more income, so your the tax you are going to pay is also more. So because here you need to pay the huge amount of tax on the income when you are earning more. So that's why the tax rates are increasing when your income is also increasing. So this is the one of the reasons so which led the people to avoid the tax. So if they avoid the tax, they know if it is an illegal activity. So if it will be caught by the authorities or the government, so they need to pay the legal action which will be taken against them. So somewhat it is risky. So even though they know the tax evasion is a riskiest activity, but the why the people are doing it means so to get some benefits illegally. So that's why one of the major reasons for tax evasion is the high rates of tax. Simply high tax rates are the major reason. So suppose if it is somewhat reduced, if it is somewhat low, so some of the people might show their income to pay the taxes, so to avoid the risk from the tax evasion. So this is one of the reason. So and next one is, if you observe the Indian tax system, so we have a different types of taxes, and the tax law is so much complicated, so not everyone can easily understand. So that's why there is a complexity of the tax laws. Next one, complexity of tax laws. It is also one of the reason so to avoid the which led the people to avoid the taxes. So and next one is, if you observe that, so in India tax authorities are there. So so many organizations are working under the tax departments, so under the tax law, so but they don't have a sufficient powers. So that's why they cannot control the tax evasion as much as effectively. So that's why one of the causes for tax evasion is inadequacy of the powers, means they don't have a sufficient powers. This is what we are calling as inadequacy of powers, means the tax authorities don't have a sufficient powers to control the tax evasion. So this is one of the reason. And next one is, suppose if the people avoid the tax, if the government catch those people who are avoiding the tax, so if it is proven, so there should be a strict punishment to the tax avoiders. But unfortunately, so there is no strict punishment to the tax avoiders. So that's why majority of the people are taking light. So even though they will be caught by the tax authorities, so that the people are involving the tax evasion. So by the using the loopholes of the law, so we can easily come out from this situation. so it will take so much time to prove the case against us, so they feel like that. So that's why they are involving in the tax evasion activities. So here the major reason is, if the punishment is strict, it creates fear among the individuals who avoid the tax. So that's why at least some of the people may have a fear, so may withdraw from the tax evasion activities. So that's why the next reason is the absence of strict punishments. Absence of the strict punishment means there is no proper imprisonment for the tax evaders. So okay, there is a huge penalties, there should be a huge penalty like that. So okay, anyway, here this is one of the reason. So normally people think that when we don't have a strict punishment, we need not to worry about that punishments. So okay, this is one of the reason. And next one is, in India, for example, in Indian scenario, political system plays an important role. So okay, here number of political parties are in India. So sometimes some political parties may be in ruling, and the next day, and the further times, some other political parties may coming into the ruling. So that's why the people who are doing business, the people who are doing business, as well as who are taking projects and contracts, so okay, they are always to be favorable to the political parties, and they always want to take the support from the political party whichever is in ruling. So that's why they give donation to the political parties, to the maximum political parties. So okay, whoever may be in the ruling, so okay, they will get an advantage from them. So they want to get an advantage from them. So that's why majority of the people are giving donations to the political parties. But unfortunately, there is no proper restrictions so on the donations to the political parties. So okay, they give the donations at the time of elections. So afterwards, so okay, the party comes to in ruling, so they take an advantage from that party. So okay, here this is also one of the reasons let the people to avoid the taxes, that is donations to political parties. And next one is, in our country, most of the people are not aware about the tax system, and most of the people are not aware about the tax evasion and the evils of the tax evasion, or the negative impact of the tax evasion on the economy. So they don't have awareness on these things. And one more thing is, majority of the people are not feeling tax evasion as an immoral activity. If you do the tax evasion, it will give negative impact on our economy. This is not at all right. We should not do the tax evasion. So majority of the people are unfortunately not feeling like this. So okay, they are not taking it, they are not considering tax evasion is immoral. It is an unethical activity. So that's why that's why people are simply involving in the tax evasion activities. As an individual, if I avoid the tax, what would be the negative impact on the economy? So okay, on the whole, the economy is a very large, so the country is very large. So okay, as an individual, what can I do? So simply, if I avoid the tax, what would be the negative result? They feel like that. So that's why that is also one of the reason. So here the moral and psychological factors also led the people to avoid the tax. Next one is moral and psychological factors. So okay, majority of the people don't consider tax evasion is a immoral, it is an unethical activity. They don't consider like that. So that is also one of the reason. And next one is, so some of the business organizations may involve in the wrong or unethical practices. So by the maintaining wrong accounts, by the giving the wrong declarations to the authorities, so and by the creating artificial scarcity in the supply of the product to create a artificial demand for the product. So with an intention to increase the prices intentionally than the real value of the product. So all these are the various unethical activities which are being done in the business. So because of the corrupt business practices, so okay, they maintain wrong accounts, they manipulate accounting statements, so okay, they manipulate the prices of the products. So okay, they all these are creating black money. So okay, so this is the corrupt business. Corrupt business practices. So also reason for the tax evasion. So anyway, these are the various reasons. First one is high rates of tax. Next one is complexity of the tax laws, inadequacy of the powers, means the tax authorities don't have a sufficient powers to control the tax evasion. Next one is absence of strict punishment. So okay, there is no strict punishment for the tax evaders. It also encourages the people to avoid the tax. Next one is donation to the political parties. Majority of the people give huge donation to the political parties. Then afterwards they will get an advantage from the political parties. So to avoid the tax, if they will caught in the tax evasion, so they will come out from the from that situation with the help of such political parties to whom the donation is given. So whatever it might be, so all the donation to the political parties also reason. And next, and moral and psychological factors. So people are not thinking that it is immoral activity, tax evasion is an unethical activity like that. So not considering like that. So and next one is corrupt business practices. When the business when the business is run, when the business is done in a corrupted way, so definitely they involve in the tax evasion process. So that's why, so it is also one of the reason. So anyway, hope you all understood. Thank you very much.